Welcome to the grid. Flip the switch, watch the neon glow. Olamar running on the GPU below. Coding in the dark, compilers running clean. Building custom patches for the virtual machine. We don't do the bloatware, we don't do the delay. We write the code ourselves and change the way we play. Putting up the Genesis.
Hey, what up? This is Coraje from Genesis Grid Labs. Just want to give an update on the Genesis Grid. We added a few new updates that I think that will be a big improvement. Let's see. We added this little mic down here as you talk. We added a basically a voice emotion recognition. I added a basically when you speak into a microphone offline, the speech to text, the AI will recognize the tone and it'll put a classification on it. It can do that for the AI to understand you more, or basically to excuse me, if you're like writing a book or something. So it can if you're trying to like have it write the book for you and you're speaking into it or whatever, it'll recognize those tones to help you do it. There's other reasons, but it kind of like helps out for a lot of different reasons. We also added a Docker Sandbox. If you've been watching a lot of AI news and stuff, there's been reports of hacks or mods and doorways into through AI to get into your PC. And I wanted to stop that, so I created a secure grid Genesis execution, which runs your notebook or your PC cell safely through a Docker. You basically download Docker, and this, when you install Genesis Grid, it'll install the security to directly put all your work into Docker into a secure area, to where it can't like spread throughout your PC. It'll stay in that one contained area. And it can stop buggy code from damaging your machine, basically. And I also created in this update a local data NCP connector. And this basically can look at your stuff offline, and also expose your like with the online stuff. When you connect your AI to it, it can expose you. Really, it's because it's another way to get in. So I created this thing where it can you can do just your calendars from your PC and your email archives and stuff like that, and have it sort through. But basically, it can do all that, check your calendar, set up your deployments and stuff offline with no online exposure of your stuff. And it can basically, you put in a command, it'll go through the commands and do that as well. Another thing I added was ATS compressor. It's a Zero-Token-AST-Compressor. It compresses massive code directories by like, I'd say 90 to 95%. Most of the time we get 95%, but it's for like small local LLMs. A lot of times they are trying to do so much computing for that because they're off of bigger AI agents and token spending. So they spend it. What this basically does is it reduces them, so they think in smaller chunks to get out the stuff quicker. And we've added a lot of stuff to it. This new Genesis Grid update, I think it adds quite a big amount of security to it, and other implementations. We're going to add a lot more. Hopefully, continue to grow with it. And also, even if you don't want to use the Genesis Grid, I released each of these 4 programs in my GitHub, so you can use them on your own program of choice if need to be, and you just want to do that, and if you're more of a into you know what you're doing in AI and stuff like that, and messing with the programs. So anyways, I just wanted to make it quick and short update video to let you know what went on, and I hope you enjoy the tomorrow and the weekend coming, and enjoy.
Flip the switch, watch the neon glow. LLMs running on the GPU below. Coding in the dark, compilers running clean. Building custom patches for the virtual machine. We don't do the